Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. Hope you all are doing good and safe at home. Dear students, in today's lesson, we will learn to draw Hello Kitty with simple lines in simple steps. Let's start the drawing. First of all, we will draw a circle for the bow of the kitty. Then draw a U-like shape on both sides. Draw a C-like shape inside. Now we will draw a triangle for the ear. On the side, draw a line. Now draw triangle for the ear. Draw a U-like shape add details on the face. Draw small ovals for the eyes. Another oval for the nose. Draw 3 lines on both sides for the whiskers. For the body, we will draw under the eye a line slightly diagonal. The other one on the other side. Try to draw both the lines of the same size. Join it from the bottom. In the middle, draw a line. Draw U-like shape for the feet. Draw a curved line for the neck. Now we will draw the arms. For the arms, we will draw a hook-like shape, a line going down and slightly curve at the end. The other one, it is a J-like shape. Dear students, our drawing is complete. Now it is your turn to draw your Hello Kitty and enjoy fun drawing. You can color it of your choice. You may paint it, or you can use pencil colors or markers, or you can decorate your picture with glitters. Stay at home, stay safe. Allah Hafiz.